Hello everybody, Transportation UK here, and welcome to the first Sheffield train spotting video. We are on one of the northern terminus stations of the Midland Main Line, and the start of the Dearne Valley Line, the Hallam Line, and the Penistone Line that goes to Huddersfield. I'm going to be doing a couple of Sheffield train spotting videos until Boxing Day. This is going to be included with the video schedule. I'm going to act these as my own little series, so they won't be in the video schedule because I've already told you. Anyway, so here at Sheffield this evening, you're going to be seeing services by Northern, Transpennine Express, East Midlands Railway and Cross Country. You may also see some freight as well. Without any further ado, let's begin train spotting this evening at Sheffield Station. Let's go. To kick things off, we have a Northern Class 158 Express Sprinter. This is on a Northern Leeds Express service from Leeds to Nottingham. This will be calling at Dronfield, Chesterfield, Alfreton, Langley Mill, Ilkeston and Nottingham. I shall get the numbers as it departs. When it departs. It is arriving into platform 5A. It usually arrives at platform 6A, but I guess it can use any platform anyway. One 158-872. It got close enough for me to see. Now arriving is a terminating Class 1559 on a service from Manchester Piccadilly via the Hope Valley Line. This will be forming a service back to Manchester Piccadilly. This is a Class 159 stroke 1. Because it is 3 coaches. 159, 195, 133. Bit full on this train. Nice and clean. I think it's just come out of the depot when it departed from Manchester. Now getting ready to depart from platforms 5A is a northern service to Nottingham. In a minute or so. Now departing platform 5A is 158872 on a northern service from Leeds to Nottingham. Next stop will be Dronfield. And now arriving on platform 1B is going to be the 1611 Transpennine Express service from Manchester Piccadilly to Cleethorpes via Doncaster. This is formed of a dual pairing of Class 185 diesel Desiros. Calling at Meadowhall, Doncaster. Thanks for the one tone. Meadowhall, Doncaster, Scunthorpe, Barnet B, Hayborough, Grimsby Town and Cleethorpes. Leading the way is 185141. And now arrived is a Transpan Express service from Cleethorpes to Manchester Piccadilly. On the rear of this is 185110. I shall get the numbers of the Piccadilly train as it departs. It is on platform 6A, as you can see over here. Now departing platform 6A is the 1611 Transpan Express service from Cleethorpes to Manchester Piccadilly via Stockport, calling at Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. Leading the way is 185148. Excuse me. And on the rear of this, in pneumatical order, is 185149. So 148 leading and 149 trailing. And in a minute or so, we'll be seeing a Leeds Express Northern service from Nottingham to Leeds. It is coming now. It's another Class 158 Express Sprinter. I'll keep the camera rolling because the Class 158 to Leeds is just arriving onto platform 5B. I'm on platform 5 now, on the A side of the station. One 58797, calling at Meadowhall, Barnsley, Wakefield, Kirkgate and Leeds. Now getting ready to depart from platform 7 will be the 1614 Northern service from Sheffield to Manchester Piccadilly. This is the local service via the Hope Valley. Leading the way is 195133, which is a Class 195-1 Civity unit. Calling at Doran Totley, Grindleford, Hathersage, Bamford, Hope, Edale, Chinley, Newmill Central, Marple, Romilly, Bredbury, Brinnington, Reddish North and Manchester Piccadilly. With its first stop, it will be Dor and Totley. They have sister units called the Class 331, which is made from the same body, same body, but it's just an EMU instead of a DMU. Now about to depart from platform 5B is the 1618 Northern Leeds Express service from Nottingham to Leeds, calling at Meadowhall, Barnsley, Wakefield, Kirkgate and Leeds. I think the unit was 158787. Yeah. Now arriving on platform 1 is going to be the 1621 cross country service to Newcastle. Leading the way is 220011. 9 coach service. So it's a 220 and a 221. 221, 124 on the rear. Calling at Wakefield, Westgate, Leeds, York, Darlington, Durham and Newcastle. And in about 8 minutes time, 222 004 will be departing on the 1629 East Midlands Railway Intercity service from here to London St Pancras International, calling at Chesterfield, Derby and Leicester on the way. Now getting ready to depart from platform 2 is going to be the 1629 EMR Intercity service from Sheffield to London St Pancras International. Leading the way is 222 004, one of the 7-car Meridian Voyages. Calling at Chesterfield, Derby, Leicester and London St Pancras. Quite filthy from all the dirt it picked up. Vehicles seem to pick up a lot of dirt during winter. Children's Hospital Charity, this train is called. Seem to pick up a lot of dirt because it's all cold and dirt can get onto it easily. Next stop being Chesterfield. I'm going to stay on this side until the what's it called, EMR to Nottingham service has gone, and then I'll go to the other side for the last 20 to 25 minutes, and then I'll end the video. I'm coming back here again tomorrow to do a full day here at Sheffield, so I might even do a stream. Yeah, that's a good idea. You guys can join. No, I don't think many of you join, but I hope you do enjoy this one stream. So yeah. Train now arriving at platform 7 is going to be the 1637 East Midlands Railway Regional service from Liverpool Lime Street to Nottingham, calling at Dronfield, Chesterfield, Alfreton and Nottingham. This is the one of the only off-peak services that stop East Midlands Railway services that stop at Dronfield. Formed of a single class 158 express sprinter. 158785. And in a minute or so we'll be seeing another EMR regional service, but going the other way from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street. Train now arriving at platform 2A will be the 1642 East Midlands Railway Regional service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street, calling at Stockport, Manchester Piccadilly, Manchester Oxford Road, Earlham, Birchwood, Warrington Central, Widnes, Liverpool South Parkway and Liverpool Lime Street. Leading the way into the station is 158799, and on the rear, which will be on the front on the way out, is newly liveried 156405. It's not that common you see class 156s, but they're not too rare for EMR because they sometimes replace one of their 158s with a 156 or two class 153s. Now departing from platform 7 is the 1 minute delayed 1637 East Midlands Railway regional service to Nottingham, calling at Dronfield, Chesterfield, Alfreton and Nottingham. This has come from Liverpool Lime Street, 158785. Next stop, Dronfield. One of the only EMR services that stop at Dronfield, as only off-peak services stop at Dronfield and some other smaller stations. After the 1642 service to Liverpool departs, I shall end the video. If we can hit 2,200 if we can hit 200 subscribers by tonight, I shall be making a 12-hour stream here at Sheffield, a train spotting stream, my first ever stream on the channel. So I think that'll be exciting for you. Now arriving onto platform 5 is a terminating East Midlands Trains East Midlands Railway intercity service from London St Pancras to here. A 5-car ex-EMT 222 007. That'll be forming a EMR intercity service back to London St Pancras when it goes out later. But we won't be able to catch that, as my last train of the video will be the 1642 service to Liverpool. Now getting ready to depart from platform 2A is going to be the 1642 East Midlands Railway regional service to Liverpool Lime Street via Manchester Piccadilly. Leading the way is 156405 and on the rear is 158799. Calling at Stockport, Manchester Piccadilly, Manchester Oxford Road, Earlham, Birchwood, Warrington Central, Witness, Liverpool South Parkway and Liverpool Lime Street. Next stop, Stockport. This is the last train of the video. And that was the last train of this video. Before I end this video, may I address that only 7% of you are subscribed to my channel, and 90% of you are not subscribed. Can you please help me to reach 200 subscribers by clicking the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell? That way you'll be notified when I put a new video up. So if I get 200 subscribers by tonight, or 175 subscribers, I shall make a train spotting stream. That's what I'm calling it. A 12-hour train spotting stream here at Sheffield from about 9 o'clock until about 4 o'clock in the evening. So yeah, about a 6-hour train spotting stream. Yeah, 6 hour. So if you can help me get to 200 subscribers by subscribing and click on notifications, you can help me get to 2,000 subscribers. 200 subscribers, I mean, and I can make this train spotting stream at Sheffield, my first ever stream on the channel. Thank you all, and I'll see you all in the next video or stream. Bye bye.